Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Settings. Now let's scroll down to find the backup, and we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to just choose it from the list, and that's all. If not, you have to add it right now. So just tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and now you can choose who's going to use this device. So just mark the option. Here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on Next. Right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, and here you can also decide what kind of data you'd like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. You can mark both, it's totally up to you, and then tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, tap on Backup now, and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.